Hello, I'm Tara Heffernan, a research intern at Seattle Science Foundation, and here's what's happening this week at Seattle Science Foundation. Monday, Dr. Joshua Palmer will be the featured speaker at our latest series, Tumor Talk, presented in association with the Journal of Neuro-Oncology. He will discuss the impact of instrumentation material on local recurrence, a case match series using carbon fiber beak versus titanium. Dr. George Hadid will give a physician's perspective on longevity at our STED Talk series on Wednesday morning. And join us Friday and Saturday for our 6th annual Advances in Motion Preservation of the Spine course, an in-depth evaluation of current and emerging technologies in spine surgery used to preserve spinal mobility. Through cadaveric demonstrations and instructional didactics, we will teach the best evidence-supported practices surrounding disc arthroplasty, laminoplasty, motion-preserving stabilization, and endoscopic techniques. As always, you can register for our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.